You need a durable duffel bag that has the right size and that will last you many years. A duffel bag that meets your needs, whether it's being waterproof, has shoulder straps, wheels, or can pack for a whole month. In this guide, you'll find a duffel bag that fits your needs. A duffel bag is a great alternative to a trolley or a travel backpack, as it's lightweight and will pack a lot of things. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 duffel bags on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Samsonite Andante. When your family asks you to bring several items of food and clothes on your next visit to their countryside, this rolling duffel bag by Samsonite might just be that much needed addition to your wardrobe. The brand is reputable enough for you to make a choice in its favor as it is, but if you need more conviction, read on. The bag is not only lightweight but is also suitable for the plane and car rides due to its compact design. Moreover, the large opening on the top makes it easy to open and grab a thing or two from it when on the go. We know your kid will ask you for a blanket when it gets too cold in the car during the night, and that's when the easily accessible opening comes in handy. The soft spin wheels will hardly bring any discomfort to your trip as they are durable enough to withstand the harshest of the grounds. Number 2. Yeti Ponga Series. Think fishing, rafting, and hiking in the harsh snowy weather. These are the scenarios your duffel bag from Yeti will be most useful in. Originally focusing on issuing coolers, the brand made a few steps ahead and released a duffel bag that has the best of both worlds. People from across the globe pick this model over others due to the bag's ability to withstand the heaviest of the rainfalls and the roughest storms. Designed with this in mind, Ponga 75 incorporates a highly dense and laminated nylon shell along with the 2 easily accessible mesh pockets for your valuables to be stored in a dry and safe space. The bag's EVA molded bottom and the zippered spans are the finishing touches that seal the waterproofness factor and give you peace of mind when nature starts to act up. Number 3. The North Face. Designed with outdoor expeditions in mind, the North Face duffel bag is a line of bags that have been around for a while now but keeps improving through the years. The simple cylindrical design and minimal trims give this bag a classic look that will never go out of style. The thick nylon material takes a while to get used to since it's quite hard to expand, but this also means that your duffel will be strong and durable. The wide entrance allows you to access every inch of your bag, making packing and retrieving items from your bag easier than ever. The main compartment is large and spacious, allowing you to pack everything you may need during your trip. Number 4. Patagonia Black Hole. This item right here fully lives up to its name. The number of things it can hold seems to be infinite. Perhaps the reason why it is preferred by so many people lies in the fact that it is made from a 100% recyclable material. Although this is not news in the 21st century, it is still considered to be a rare find, especially since the bag still retains a premium quality and has a wide array of colors. The sturdy build is proved by the 900 denier ripstop nylon that incorporates a durable water-repellent coating. Your duffel bag will keep the moisture away even if it's raining cats and dogs. There are also removable straps and a few various ways to grab the bag with the help of webbing loops or haul handles. The main point is that the brand didn't compromise comfort features to create an all-around tool for you to carry to sports events and travel trips alike. Number 5. Jack Wolfskin. We in continental America live in a bit of a vacuum of influence when it comes to our outdoor equipment. Occasionally, I'll have the chance to take a look at gear from European manufacturers. In this case it's Jack Wolfskin's 65 liters Expedition Trunk, a sensibly priced alternative to adventure duffels employed by travelers and explorers alike. This heavy-hitting German retailer has one foot in the outdoor sporting world and another in urban athleisure wear. A closer look at the trunk reveals it's firmly rooted in this dichotomy, taking aim somewhere between an overbuilt gear bag and a versatile valise. For a weekend at the cabin or living out of it for weeks at a time, the duffel certainly merits further investigation. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.